Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best snowboard tuning waxing kit that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the RaceWax Complete Ski Wax Tuning Kit plus Ski Vise. This is the best product to buy, and I can encourage you to buy. Complete kit for families or even those wanting to tune multiple skis, boards. The edge device does all angles for both bases and also side 20 various aspects. The kit comprises a 70mm glass stone for the exceptional setting of the end without metal replacement. It is 60mm extended gripping length on middle jaws gives superior security for skis. Clamp opening varies from about 40 to 90 mm. Height flexible end helps. End supports turn in 2 places which offer various angle frames for the most flexibility, improved comfort, and also folkways clarity while tuning. Moving on at number 4, we have the XCMAN Oxford 1680D Ski and Snowboard Waxing and Tuning Kit. The kit comes with the proper order of waxes and also some of the media you want for tuning, but needs some essential accessories. The iron works well, but it is a bit small, and the temperature controller is not comfortable to read or even to work. This brass brush is tiny and also is only intended for cleaning the data, so you shall need the larger brass brush for the cleaning ski bases. Additionally, missing of this kit is the gummy stone, that is required for edge performance. At number 3, we have the Demon United Snow Ready Ski Tuning Kit and Snowboard Tuning Kit. While most maximum set lets you pick from one wax type you prefer, or try 2, this Demon United full kit works with no fewer than 4 wax blends. 2 universal ones, one for warm temperatures, and also another for the cold ones. All of these waxes shall fit into the combined case that is nice and also spacious and may carry all other essential tools too. The event is famous for both collecting and also bringing the waxing and also tuning tools, meaning you may easily take the waxing kit by you anywhere you go. The snowboard wax kit additionally comes with the simple to understand and also to follow directions, added plus, besides the tremendous smelling waxes. At number 2, we have the XCMAN Complete Ski Snowboard Tuning also Waxing Kit. Excellent kit for families or even those is requiring to tune many snowboards. The edge device is the ultimate tool you shall ever require. It does every angle for both bases also side. This one device is all you needed to sharpen and also bevel the edges for both the support and also side edges. Excellent tool bag. Inside strap to ensure wax iron. 2 internal open access tools pockets and even zippered net pocket. External fast access pocket. 2 carry belts with the Velcro clasp handle, large enough to attach more details. And finally at number 1, we have the Grayne Deluxe Ski and Snowboard Tuning Kit with Waxing Iron. This kit holds everything you require if you are looking to wax your snowboard or skis at home properly. Because almost everything is put in the handy carrying case, you presumably will have to fret about forgetting something back if you want to get the kit by you. The simple tool, which doesn't fit a case, is the press, but understanding as this is so great, you possibly will forget about it in the original place. The unity of this kit's best points in which it comes with the ratcheting screwdriver which should be ready to tighten or even loosen any screw in these bindings. You additionally get the usual all temperatures fulmination wax and also the stone for the removing rust and also burrs from the board's edges. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.